All started with my mum and dad on a little shop front on Main Beach, 1989. They were picture framers. Fast forward 10 or 15 years as they build a business. I've come on board with graphic design and pre-press knowledge from the print industry. We invested in a small fine art printer. We did some canvas prints, and before you know it, we're printing and framing. Really good quality scanning and printing of artworks. We invest in a few more printers, a HP Latex 260 to get into the wallpaper business, large format scanner in 2017, and that's what really sort of accelerated things for us. Now we've got a 1.2 by 1.8 metre scanner that scans artworks at incredible resolution. So now we're printing a file that's incredibly high quality to start with on really good machinery. So the print that comes off the other end is fantastic quality. Couple that with our picture framing knowledge, which is over 40 years in the industry, we developed a product at the end there that is second to none. I've always said to my team that anyone can buy a printer and anyone can ship something out the door. How we differ is by having outstanding customer service. Really forging relationships with our customers that you form an unbreakable bond with them and you essentially partner in their business. When you take that attitude, and I pass that down to my team, customers love it and we grow with them and they can see how invested we are in their business as well. So yeah, that's how we've sort of delivered on that promise. The quality side of things, we invest only in the best equipment. We don't cut corners. We put those two things together, great customer service, a great team, a great quality of production, and we can't lose. I reached out to Kissel Wolf's Queensland rep, Nick Zajic, approximately 3 years ago or so, around 2019, when we just had to buy some marabou coatings for some fine art canvas. We were getting a little bit of cracking on our fine art canvases, so it was suggested to us to look into a coating. It wasn't $1 million plus printer on the line, there was just some products on the line. He didn't really care if there was a sale or not. He would call up, he would have a chat and make sure that he understood my business as well and made sure he was suggesting the right things. We've built a relationship that goes beyond just being a supplier and a customer. There's really quality, sound advice, making sure that I'm making the right investments for my business, making the right decisions. We bounce ideas around and discuss prospects. Of course, I did a lot of research, and look, like I said previously, Nick seemed like a very genuine guy and he provided a lot of really good advice for many months. The support from Kissel Wolf to connect with Kornit overseas and have live demonstrations further cemented my confidence, in investing in this piece of equipment. The key personnel that I met, Chris O'Brien, the technician, on some site visits around Brisbane with other Kissel Wolf customers, meeting them and discussing with them, seeing that they were all really knowledgeable personnel, gave me the confidence to invest. Been referred to their preferred financier, Bryn Hayden of Cabbage Capital, who's been a tremendous help in getting the finance for this machine across the line. Not to mention just great advice as well. And then also just from the advice and consultancy point of view, Kissel and Wolf have been fantastic in that as well. They're always there to lend an ear and provide advice where needed. I've been in the print industry for over 20 years now. There's not many suppliers that I can say I have this kind of relationship with and that would go above and beyond the way that Kissel Wolf have. Look, I'd love to see Left Bank Art Group in 5 years from now have multiple locations around Australia and be a leader in fulfilling artwork around the world with multiple Presto machines as well would be the dream. Hopefully we've got the second one and we are churning out fabric prints around Australia for all our amazing artist clients and growing that business internationally as well.